Hey everyone, I'm going to be doing the penny cleaning experiment, and I'm going to be using this measuring cup, vinegar, and then regular table salt, and then some of these very dull pennies, you can see. So first, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of vinegar to the measuring cup, and then I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt to that. It's about a teaspoon. And then I'm going to mix the solution up. Make sure that the salt dissolves into this vinegar solution. Alright, and then I'm going to add 3 pennies. I'm only going to add 3 because I want to have the other ones just to compare. And I'm going to try to place them so they're not right on top of each other. And then I'm only going to have them in here for about 20 seconds because the reaction happens fairly quickly. And so what's happening is that the solution I just made with the salt and vinegar, that is going to get rid of the dull color on the pennies and make them nice and shiny once I wash them off after and then dry them. So I'll wait a few more seconds just for them to get a little bit shinier. You can see it's happening fairly quickly. That looks about, they don't seem to be changing much more anymore, so I'm gonna wash them off now after I'm struggling to get them out. Alright, I'm gonna wash them off quick. And then I'm gonna dry them. Now there's definitely a difference compared to the dull pennies I have here. Hopefully I can show this. That was gonna be very difficult because I cannot see at all when I'm filming. So yeah, they're a lot shinier and they don't have that dull color on them anymore. So what's happening is that the pennies become dull when it reacts with the oxygen in the air, and it creates copper oxide, that layer on the outside of the pennies, which give it this dull color. And so vinegar is an acid, and it's just a dilute version of acetic acid. I think it says on the bottle, yeah, it's 5% acid, so it's 5% acetic acid. So when I mix that in with the salt, which is NaCl, that breaks down the salt into its ions, and the chloride ions help penetrate the layer of the oxide on the outside of the pennies, and then it allows the acid to remove the copper oxide on the outside of the pennies. So the salt just allows this reaction to happen faster because it penetrates those oxides.